Hello everyone, welcome. It is Diane. It is the first sunny day in, I don't know, a week at least. I'm taking advantage of the proper lighting and I'm doing some painting and other things today. So, I had gotten my box back from Heather Iglesias. She is one of the people who is doing the challenge with me. And so I just put her stuff here. I just took it out of the box for easy opening. She sent me a thank you card. It's very nice of her. It basically just says, thanks for including me in your challenge. And she sent me a gift of one of her paintings, which I will show you because it is here. So thank you, Heather, for participating and the gift. Let's see. I do need a challenge word from you, Heather, so I know how you want me to embellish this. But I can email you about that in case you don't see this video. So this is the frame. Let me take this stuff out of here. This is the frame she did. It's very pretty. I like the colors. It's very metallic. So there's that. And then she got two, I'm calling them puzzle pieces because that's what they're going to be. Everyone who participated, which there ended up being 9 people, not 10. Because once somebody decided they couldn't do it, got either 1 or 2 of these, which you can get at Hobby Lobby. They usually come 4 to a pack. So I sent out 12 so I could make one nice big puzzle on my wall. And I've only actually seen about 3 of them done. But you know what I mean, I can like put them like this, all the different ones, link them together so they look really cool. I mean, you know, some of them I'll keep together like this and then just put the next set. So I think that's going to look awesome on my wall. So thank you for participating, Heather, and bringing me those items, or sending me those items. This is also the painting she sent me. She even put it in a frame. It's pretty cool. So let me put that up there, see if you can see that. So she sent me an original Heather Iglesias painting. So thank you. Looks very cool. Oh, it has metallics in it and everything. I'm just looking at it. Love it. So that's one of the artists that is doing the challenge with me. And this I will put to the side till I contact you, Heather, and ask if you want me to embellish these and how. I don't have to, but I can. Let me just move this a minute. Okay. Something else that came in the mail. Yay! It's my gift that I received from Christina Welch for participating in her 60,000 subscriber giveaway. And I'm so excited because I literally don't win anything. Anything. So I'm opening it with you. I can get the box open. Ooh, look it. So it's a snap bracelet, which I've never used before. But let me show you those snaps. They're very pretty. Look at that. And this is the bracelet. Let me show you the snap that's in there. It's very rustic, which I love because I'm currently all about the stuff from our New Mexico travels. That's pretty cool. And what I love about it is that it's magnetic. So I shall put it on right now. If I can. It's an easy put on to do by yourself since it's magnetic like that. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thank you again, Christina. I am so honored that I won. And I will wear this all the time. And I will take different pictures of the snaps in it when I wear it. And I will put it up on Facebook. I'm going to take it off for now, though, because I'm going to paint. And I don't want to ruin it. Apparently getting it on is easier than getting it off. There we go. I really do like that that's the way that clasp is, how it's just magnetic. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to look for those. I wanted to give a shout out. I sent out an email to the other participants of my challenge. If you could check and, your stuff should be dry by now. If you could start sending that back. Don't forget to give me a word if you want me to embellish it. If you want it just to stay as it is, that's fine too. I'm going to end up sealing them. But yeah. So last night, I did a balloon smash, which I tried to get on camera, but well, the camera cut out. And I didn't have good lighting either. Since it's daylight now, I'm going to show it to you. I used some of my new Lucas Krill pastels. So I'm going to bring it up in the lower, here you can see the lower part of it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the way it turned out. And then let me show you the top. This is a big tray. It's 26 inches, so it takes me a minute to turn it around. I love the green and the purple and the pink. And that dark blue is called Steel Blue by Lucas Krill. And I just love their paints. Love them. So this has been in the bun rack overnight, and we will wait for it to dry. The edge is already dried here, but it'll take a hot minute for the rest of this to dry. The one thing I did with this, and I'm really upset that my camera wasn't working, I didn't get it on video. I made the background thinner, too thin. I usually like a medium density background if I'm going to use a background. And all my paints are medium density. But the problem with this was that I made it thinner, and then every time I would dip my balloon, it would pull paint. I mean, it would just keep pulling white, white, white. So I actually had to add in some colors, which I see I did there and did not smash, but it's too late now. It's still gorgeous.